So we've got the door open now. Everything else has been done on the install. So we've just got these fingers, which are reoccurring due to the fact we've not sprayed any tack down this leading edge, which is from the top of the fender all the way down to the rockers. So I'm just going to, with my squeegee, I'm just going to push to the edge and hold for a few seconds. Just hold it there. Slight pressure. Push through. Again, slight pressure. Push through. With my fingers, I can just start wrapping that leading edge round. Again, get the cloth, push it through. I've not introduced any heat from the air dryer. Making sure there's no moisture on this trap leading edge. Again, just pushing through with my fingers. And start at the base. I can see there's quite a bit of soap in that base section there. And push that out. I've not used any tack in this situation yet. And that's the process I'll be using for this. I am probably going to introduce a little bit of tack down at the bottom, but I'm not going to be forceful with it. Again, I'm just using my thumb to roll the PPF around that leading edge. Again, this fender's got lots of contours and folds and little tucks. I'm just making sure that there's no moisture or slip around there, and then I'll just get my air dryer and then I'll just go over it, just making sure that I've heat sealed it and making sure that if there is any moisture hiding, I'm just going to blow it out of the way with the warm air. Again, that's gone down nicely, no contaminants around the badge. Just give that a flush out, making sure I've got rid of all that soap from that point.